My name is Angel. I'm the CEO and owner. Started off wrong already. Owner of Touch by Angel Arts and Crafts. So, as I said previously, I'll be posting more videos. So I'm gonna be posting videos of paint with me. I can't talk today. Paint with me. Say it with me. Paint with me today. Tomorrow, the next day. No, but I'll be posting videos to paint with me. So I'm going to be providing a free outline, which is for personal use. If you decide that you want to purchase outlines for commercial use, I'll put my Etsy link down below and you'll be able to do so. And I'll provide you with all the colors that I'm using and what type of paint that I'm using. So to start off, as the first video for this particular paint with me, I'm going to show you guys some of the tools that I use. Is some of the tools that are good investments for you if you plan on like going through a journey of painting with me or just painting just one time, whatever you like. But I'm going to show you some things that's needed. It will be good to invest in a permanent marker to draw outlines on your picture, or you can use paint markers. So there's wide tip, there's skinny tip, whichever you prefer, however you want your picture to look. The main thing is paintbrushes. So you can use like I use a round brush. I can't think of where I got these from, but it's just, I use this as a skinny liner brush just to kind of outline in black, like all of my lines, if I don't use a paintbrush or a Sharpie. Another thing would be like a mid-size flat brush, or you could use a big flat brush. And then a smaller size flat brush. And then some extra paint brushes that I bought just to kind of help me with blending is a mop brush, which is a 1-inch brush that I got from Michael's. It's by Artist Loft. That's what it looks like. Helps blend. And also I bought a filbert brush for blending and just to use. A number 10 made by Frenzy, I believe it's called, from Michael's. I'm not sponsored at all. No, I'm not sponsored, but I just have to throw that out there because I hear everybody say it on YouTube. I'm not sponsored, so I'm not sponsored at all. No one's paying me to do this video. All right, let me stop playing with y'all. Another thing that you want to get is a paintbrush cleaner so that you can put your water in and clean your brushes. Another thing would be some tracer paper or carbon paper. You can get that from Amazon in all different sizes. I think this is like 8.5 by 14. So you would use this on white canvas, and then if we're doing a black canvas, then you want to get the white paper. And this is actually, I think this is like, well, it might be the same size. I think I ordered the same size from Amazon. That's white. Another thing that you might want to get is the Rust-Oleum Ultra Cover 2x Gloss Clear, just to keep your pictures intact so that they can last. I always use this, and you'll find, after you're painting and you spray this on your pictures, if you think your painting is kind of blotchy or the colors just don't look right, this will definitely bring it out. This is pretty good to use. Sorry, I didn't flip the camera around, but again, it's Rust-Oleum 2x. I'll put it in the description. Seals, protects, and revitalizes. It definitely does that. So get you some of this. You can get some varnish, whatever you want to buy from Michael's Craft Store or Hobby Lobby. You also want to get something to put your paint on. I just made these for myself, just silicones. It's kind of like a mold. I made it out of a mold. I made the mold and then made these. Y'all get what I'm trying to say. To put my paint on so that way I could just wipe this off. I don't have to throw it away, get another one. I just kind of wipe the paint off with this and then reuse it. I have like tons of them behind me. So just in case y'all wanted to see, those are some of my paintings. That's, what is her name? Issa Rae. We got Lizzo. No. Kanye. That right there is a Valentine's Day picture that I'm going to be painting on here, probably after this video. Because I want to do a bigger one. That's a smaller one. And then I have some others on the wall. I haven't showed y'all. I think in some other videos I might have showed, like everything else. I would say a ruler, but then I don't really use a ruler. If you're making like a line or something, maybe you want to make a straight line. I pretty much print out my outlines and then I sublimate them. That's another thing, sublimation. So I used to use my own hand and trace the outlines. Now, because sublimation came out, I now sublimate my canvases. People use the Cricut, people use the Silhouette. I have both and I just decide not to use them because I just don't have time to be weeding. I ain't got time for it. I just like sublimation, that's all. So I print on the paper and then I sublimate it onto the canvas. And that's it. And we ready. And we can paint step by step. And then it's done. I mean, but if you use the Cricut or the Silhouette, that's cool too. I mean, nothing against that. That's how you got to do it. But I ain't doing it that way. And I ain't using my hand because this is too tiring. So I use a ET 1500 Epson printer. I have two of them. So I use one to print regular and the other one I use for sublimation. So it has sublimation ink in it. And you might want to use an easel. I really don't like painting on the easel. I want it to be all professional for y'all and like put it on the easel and you just watch me paint with me. But it ain't gonna be like that because you know why? Because my hand just get tired. Like I'm thick and I'm a little unfit, you know? So like my arm be getting tired just holding it up painting. So it'll probably be on the desk, but you won't be able to see. I know y'all probably laughing at me right now, but that's gonna be pretty much it. Like I'm just gonna try to have fun with this and just, you know, show you guys how to paint. I'm not like one of those artists out there that sells pictures for like $5,000 and just make buku money. No, I just do like step-by-step paintings, sip and paints virtually, in person, paint classes or sip and paints. And that's pretty much about it. I do have a website that I sell kits on, which is touchedbyanangelartsandcrafts.com. Then I do have an Etsy shop. Don't ask me what I think is, I don't even know, but it'll be posted below because I made so many Etsy shops and I can't remember, but it'll be posted below where you can purchase a commercial. So you do have to purchase the commercial license in order to use the picture for selling. But the pictures I will be posting will be for personal use only. If you decide that you would like commercial use pictures, then you have to purchase the commercial license. There's no way out of it. Please don't email me like, hey, you know, can I? No, it's commercial license. Just purchase it. You buy Jordans. I mean, you can do it. Yeah, you can do it. But that's pretty much it. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. And I hope you all are excited to paint with me along on this journey. And don't forget to tap the like button and also share this video so that it could get the word out to other people. And also follow me so that way you can see any future videos. Again, thank you guys for watching. Again, it's Touched by an Angel Arts and Crafts. My name is Angel, and I hope you guys have a great day.